If you've ever attempted to work, play games, or create on a single laptop screen, you are already familiar with the challenges, constrained space, frequent window switching, and a sense of confinement. It's precisely where portable monitors come into play, and I can assure you that they are revolutionary. These thin, light displays can drastically change how you work and play, whether you're a traveler, a student, or a designer, or someone who just wants a more organized, efficient arrangement. We're currently ranking the top portable monitors that offer breathtaking images, seamless operation, and genuine portability. There is something for everyone here, including high refresh rate gaming screens and incredibly bright 4K panels. Let's get right to the top choices. Number 7. Arzopa 16.1-inch 144Hz. The Arzopa 16.1-inch 144Hz display is one of those gadgets that simply makes life easy if you've been searching for a portable monitor that truly feels made for both work and gaming. The incredibly quick refresh rate of 144Hz is the first thing you notice. Everything appears remarkably responsive and fluid, whether you're editing, playing games, or simply browsing through your day. When combined with a 1080p Full HD resolution with a 106% sRGB IPS panel, you get vibrant colors and crisp details that improve the appearance of spreadsheets, games, and movies. The integrated kickstand is one of the most practical features. You can simply flip it out and change the angle to suit your preferences rather than dragging around a separate cover or stand. It is also lightweight, so packing it in a backpack is not a huge difficulty. It truly shines as a second laptop display because it makes multitasking much simpler and allows you to adjust between horizontal and vertical positions based on what you're working on. Another benefit is the plug-and-play configuration. It can be connected to almost everything, including laptops, Macs, PS5s, Xboxes, and even portable consoles like the Steam Deck, thanks to its 2 USB-C connections and mini HDMI. It's not flawless, of course. Although the 144Hz refresh rate is fantastic, professional gamers may occasionally experience screen tearing because there is no adaptive sync. Additionally, a full-cover case may seem more solid than the built-in stand, despite its convenience. All things considered, though, it's a good option if you're looking for a portable screen that strikes a mix between usability, color quality, and performance. Number 6. CocoPar 15.6-inch. One of those devices that seems immediately helpful as soon as you plug it in is the CocoPar 15.6-inch portable monitor. It's a fantastic choice if you want a simple second screen for working, presenting, or simply staying productive while on the go. It's made to operate flawlessly with laptops, including MacBooks, Surface devices, Dell, HP, and more. It instantly adjusts whether you're sharing your display or multitasking because it supports both extend and mirror modes. It's surprisingly easy to set up. It can be connected to the majority of contemporary laptops, PCs, and even game consoles thanks to its 2 fully functional USB-C connections and tiny HDMI. One cable can handle both power and video if your device supports USB-C with display output, eliminating the need for additional clutter. Even pass-through charging is supported, which is a convenient feature for travelers. With its wide viewing angles, full HD resolution, and ISP panel that maintains color accuracy, the screen itself appears sharp. Long sessions are slightly less taxing on your eyes thanks to features like HDR and low blue light, and the matte coating helps reduce reflections. Additionally, it can be mounted on a stand for both vertical and landscape configurations because it is VESA mountable. Its incredibly lightweight and thin design makes it ideal for travel or remote work, especially with a stylish cover that serves as a stand. Nevertheless, the 60Hz refresh rate isn't perfect for fast-paced gaming, and the lightweight design can feel a little fragile. Higher-end panels have a more brilliant color palette, but this one is still solid. All things considered, it's a dependable, portable second screen that's simple to use, adaptable, and ideal for work while on the go. Number 5. VisionOwl 18.5-inch. Anyone who wants a larger, more immersive screen without sacrificing portability should use the VisionOwl 18.5-inch portable monitor. Its full HD IPS display gives you a bright, wide view that's ideal for streaming, gaming, or work. The screen is substantially larger than other portable monitors, but it's still remarkably thin and light, so it's perfect for travel, workplace use, or even game nights with friends. The 100Hz refresh rate, which offers less blur and smoother animation than typical 60Hz panels, is one notable feature. Visuals become richer and more realistic when 125% sRGB color and 8-bit depth are combined. Although it's not a strictly competitive gaming display, it does improve the fluidity and enjoyment of quick scenes. Another advantage is connectivity. It is compatible with laptops, Macs, PCs, consoles, and tablets with ease thanks to its 2 USB-C connections and full-size HDMI port. Your setup will be significantly cleaner if your device has USB-C display output, which allows you to run both power and video through a single connection. You can quickly modify the angle with the built-in kickstand, which is a handy feature. The VESA mounting option gives you even more freedom. It also seems more luxurious and is more durable than many portable plastic monitors thanks to the metal rear panel. The built-in speakers are adequate for casual use, but not very loud, and the bigger size naturally makes it less portable in smaller screens. Nevertheless, this one offers an excellent combination between portability and performance if you're looking for a smooth, vibrant portable display with a strong construction. Number 4. Asus ZenScreen 16-inch. The Asus ZenScreen 16-inch portable monitor is designed for those who like to have a dependable, clean second screen without having to carry heavy gear. With its full HD IPS display and anti-glare surface, it remains clear and simple to see whether you're working in a bright workspace or a cafe. It is particularly travel-friendly because of its lightweight, compact design, which fits neatly into a backpack without adding bulk. This monitor's dual USB connections and mini HDMI input are two features that set it apart. This implies that you may easily link it to the majority of contemporary laptops, tablets, and even game consoles. Additionally, Asus prioritizes comfort. Their eye care technology, which includes a blue light filter and flicker-free performance, helps lessen eye strain during extended workdays. For coding, writing, or perusing vertical text, it even switches between landscape and portrait mode automatically. Additional flexibility is provided by the 360-degree kickstand and integrated tripod connection. You may mount it to a stand if you want something more secure, or you can put it up at any angle. It's simple to get started straight out of the box thanks to the accompanying wires and sleeve. The brightness isn't as great as some rival models, and the built-in speakers are quite simple. However, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, travel-friendly second screen because of its portability, comfort features, and flexible connectivity. Number 3. UPerfect 16-inch. The UPerfect 16-inch portable monitor is designed for those who seek the best brightness and clarity in a screen that they can carry around. Its remarkable brightness of 1200 nits combined with an anti-reflective coating makes it stand out from other portable monitors. This allows the display to remain sharp even in bright environments or direct sunlight. Its striking 2000:1 contrast ratio makes details in gloomy situations considerably more visible, colors appear deeper, and highlights stand out. Everything is elevated by the 4K UHD resolution. The image resolution and color accuracy make the experience feel remarkably immersive for a travel-friendly screen, whether you're playing games, editing images, or just taking in high-quality material. Additionally, you get a somewhat greater vertical workspace due to the 16:10 aspect ratio, which is excellent for productivity. Because it is made of recycled aluminum, it feels nicer and lasts longer than alternatives made of plastic while also being more environmentally beneficial. If you desire a more permanent solution, the VESA mounting option offers even more versatility. The smart cover also serves as a stand and protects the monitor. It is very easy to pair with laptops, small PCs, or consoles because it has both USB-C and HDMI connectivity. If your gadget allows it, a single connection can potentially manage both power and display. Naturally, there are trade-offs associated with the advanced features. In comparison to ultralight variants, its aluminum construction adds some weight despite being durable, and its higher brightness requires more electricity. However, this one shines out if you're looking for a portable screen that offers excellent brightness, robust durability, and breathtaking clarity. Number 2. EnoView 15.6-inch. The EnoView 15.6-inch portable monitor is made for people who want more screen real estate without having to deal with drivers or apps. Its size achieves a good balance between being large enough to actually increase productivity and being small enough for travel, remote work, or on-the-go gaming sessions. It is a useful second screen for workers, students, and gamers alike because it is compatible with a variety of devices, including laptops, MacBooks, phones, tablets, and gaming consoles. Its straightforward plug-and-play configuration is what makes it particularly user-friendly. It can be instantly connected to the majority of contemporary gadgets thanks to its two fully functional USB-C connectors and HDMI port. One cable can handle both power and video if your device supports USB-C display output, keeping your workspace tidy. If it doesn't, HDMI is always an option, though you'll need an extra power supply. With an IPS screen that maintains color consistency and sharpness from a broad angle, the display itself offers strong full HD quality. Long stretches of time spent in front of a screen are made more comfortable by the low blue light function and HDR compatibility, which enhances the depth of images and videos. Additionally, the matte finish reduces reflections. The protective smart cover that doubles as a stand is a fantastic feature. It protects the monitor within a backpack and is strong and adjustable. However, if the connected device can't supply enough power, the monitor can flicker, thus you might occasionally need to plug it into an external source. All things considered, it's a multi-purpose portable monitor that increases productivity and flexibility wherever you work or play. Number 1. Lenovo L15. The Lenovo L15 portable monitor is designed for those looking for a portable, dependable second screen. Thanks to the IPS screen, its 16.5-inch Full HD display produces clear images with strong color fidelity. The image quality is clear and bright, whether you're working on documents, streaming, or surfing from a coffee shop. Additionally, when you're on the go, the 250 nit brightness helps keep the screen viewable in brighter surroundings. One of the best things about this monitor is how small it is. It weighs just under 2 pounds, which makes it quite convenient to carry anywhere in a bag. Another well-considered feature is the height-adjustable stand. The screen may be raised or lowered to your eye level, which greatly improves comfort and lessens neck strain during extended work sessions. With 2 USB connections, connectivity is straightforward and contemporary, allowing you to easily plug in computers, tablets, or phones. It's essentially a plug-and-play setup if your device supports USB-C display output. Additionally, the display has flicker-free technology, which lessens eye strain after extended use. Every portable monitor has trade-offs, of course. The 60Hz refresh rate isn't intended for fast-paced gaming, but it's ideal for work and light entertainment. The glossy screen provides good contrast, but depending on your environment, it may reflect light. Nevertheless, the Lenovo L15 excels as a sturdy, lightweight, and ergonomic portable monitor that increases productivity without taking up space, ideal for remote workers, travelers, and anybody else looking for additional screen real estate while on the go. Here is our list of the top portable gaming monitors that can significantly improve your travel routine, gaming setup, or workflow. There is an option here to suit any lifestyle, whether you're looking for gorgeous 4K quality, buttery smooth refresh rates, or a portable second screen. These days, portable monitors are more than simple accessories. They are productivity enhancers that make entertainment more engaging and multitasking simpler wherever you go. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications if you like this breakdown and found it useful so you never miss out on more frank, practical tech guides. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the future ones.